Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to WhatsApp deleted messages recovery. How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp on 2025 trick. So I will just show you. So from one phone, I will just type to another phone like hi and set the message. So if I just hold it my from one and delete for everyone. So here in the second phone, I will just go and open my WhatsApp. So there is no option to see everyone deleted messages. So but I will just have one solution for it. Open the Play Store and download this application, which is WAMR. So when it's installed on your phone easily, so you just have to give them permissions from your phone management, but make sure in your mind it will works only Android phone. So I will just open it and I will just give them permissions from my Android phone, because some applications are work in only Android, not in iOS device. So I will just tap on it to open, and make sure you will just have to accept the all disclaimers and just tap on it enable, and you will just have to give them permission management. Just select your app WMR and tap on next, again next, and from choose your simple WhatsApp, or if you have business WhatsApp, so you will just find it and select it and just turn it to allow. So from here you will just tap to next. So you will just final step is have to allow and select your in file sections from Android phone, the WhatsApp section. So allow to access to WhatsApp simply. So after this step I will just show you that how to see deleted messages. From one I will just again tap to some messages like hi and hello to my Android phone, and I will just hold it the both messages hi hello, and again I will just tap on delete and delete for everyone. So when I just delete it for everyone, and I will just tap on it my WhatsApp and just check the message. Can I read it? No. So there is no option. So I will just go back on my home screen and just find my application, which is WAMR. So I will just tap on it. So here you will see, in this way you will just have to see your deleted messages on WhatsApp in 2025. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.